Struggling to price a home and wondering if Kvcore can help you nail down that perfect listing price? Let's find out. Unfortunately, Kvcore does not have a built-in, automated comparative market analysis tool, or CMA, directly within its platform. However, there are still ways you can conduct a CMA using Kvcore in conjunction with other resources. Start by gathering data from Kvcore's lead profiles and property details pages to get a good overview of the subject property. Pay close attention to features like square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, lot size, and any unique amenities. This will be the foundation of your comparative analysis. Next, use third-party websites like Zillow, Redfin, or your local MLS to find comparable properties that have recently sold in the area. Manually compare these properties to the subject property, adjusting for differences in features, condition, and location. Create a spreadsheet or document to organize your findings. List the comparable properties, their sale prices, and make adjustments to account for any differences between them and your subject property. By combining Kvcore's data with external resources and careful analysis, you can create a comprehensive CMA that will impress your clients and help you secure more listings. So while Kvcore doesn't do it all, it's a great starting point for a winning CMA.